Today on Sugar Spun Run, we'll be making an easy homemade hot fudge sauce. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here, and today I have an easy hot fudge sauce recipe, perfect for pouring over your ice cream or just eating by the spoonful if you're anything like me. Now this recipe is done entirely on the stovetop, so for starters, you're just going to need a small saucepan. First ingredient you'll need is 1/2 cup of heavy cream. The next thing we need is chocolate. Now you have some wiggle room with this chocolate, so you can cater this hot fudge sauce to your taste. I'm using 4 ounces or 2/3 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips, but dark or 60% chocolate chips will work well if you like a darker chocolate. We're also going to add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can use natural cocoa powder or Dutch processed, either will be fine. Today I'm using Dutch processed. Finally, we're just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and turn your stovetop heat to medium, and we're going to whisk this pretty much constantly until the chocolate is melted and all of the ingredients are nicely combined. We'll continue to cook our fudge sauce on medium heat until it comes to a boil. Now, once this begins boiling, just gently bubbling is fine. You'll want to set a timer and cook this for 3 minutes while whisking constantly. Once 3 minutes has passed, we're going to remove this saucepan from the heat. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now whisk these into your chocolate mixture until your butter is completely melted. So our hot fudge sauce is done now, but as you can see, it's really runny, it's really soupy, not very fudgy. So all we have to do now is have a little bit of patience, let this cool, and once it cools, it'll actually be that nice, thick fudge sauce. Now to speed up the process a little bit, I'm going to pour this out of the hot saucepan and into a separate bowl, just to let it cool a little faster. Don't want to waste any of it, so I'm going to use a spatula and make sure we get all of that sauce in there. Now, hot fudge sauce is obviously best served hot, of course, preferably over some ice cream. If you let it cool completely, it will get pretty firm, but a couple seconds in the microwave will heat it up and it will give you that nice, more fluid, ribbony consistency. Now, this has cooled almost to room temperature. It's still pretty warm, perfect for ice cream. Let me show you how it looks. Look at that. That is perfect for spooning over vanilla ice cream or just eating by the spoonful, whichever you prefer. I don't judge. I hope you guys enjoyed today's super easy hot fudge sauce recipe. If you try it out, please let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I don't even need ice cream.